When it comes to Quest 2 head straps, as we get closer to the Quest Pro coming, it seems like the prices are getting wildly low. Aubika made a battery strap that I really liked, and now we have their non-battery edition, $19.99 on Amazon today, with a 5% off coupon on Prime.
Damn, son.
That's cheap. Let's test this thing out. Now this is an elite style strap, just like their other ones. Basically looks like it's the same strap we did before, except it doesn't have a battery. The box feels remarkably light. Not only does it not have a battery, it definitely doesn't have a counterweight either, which we can't really expect that. Most head straps don't do that besides that Sorking, which really shocked me. One thing that's bothering me, there's like something rolling around in this box. It's probably just the booklet that was rolling around, hopefully.
Hello there.
Oh, it's just some random piece of cardboard. Fun. It's like when you used to get those FedEx packages and like the thing they peeled to uncover the sticky part, they always just threw in the package for you, even though it was garbage. It has an extremely thin back here. Like the whole gear housing is thin. Feels surprisingly good though. It makes a solid click. It doesn't have a lot of play in it. When you loosen it, you really feel it loosen. Let's get this on one. When it comes to low price head straps, Aubika just seems to do it a step better than the rest, at least so far. Obviously, we haven't stress tested this one yet, which you all know how I feel about that lately. I've been very nervous. So far, the strap feels really good. It clicks on when it goes on the side. You're not having to like shove it super hard. The gear feels good. Top strap has a section that doesn't have Velcro on it, so it should be pretty easy to slide through here. It's not a padded top pad like a lot of them have started to do, which is nice. It's not even like a fake pleather type. It's like it's a woven cloth top strap. Yeah, you pick that up and it's just solid. It has these tabs here where if you need to unsnap it, it makes it a little bit easier to take it off. We'll do that in a second here when we try to test this thing out. Compared to the original Aubika, I do kind of miss the battery pack in the back because that counterweight definitely made it more comfortable. This one feels fine. It feels like most elite straps. Not super comfortable, but it conforms to the back of your head. It hangs on. I'm having to put it a little bit lower in the back than I want to. I want to have it like up here, but when I do that, I only feel the bottom pushing instead of feeling it all around. So I'm having to put it a little lower, which is causing it to come dangerously close to interacting with my ears there. Definitely would eliminate any chance of over-ear can type headphones. Oh, can you see the fear in me when I try to do that now? Boy, it's very strong. It doesn't want you to bend it, which you shouldn't be. I mean, it's holding up pretty well to it. Let's try the other side. Whew. Okay. Aubika seems to be holding up in the quality department, I'll give them that. An interesting thing about their design versus others, this part comes solidly attached. It's actually attached with a screw in there. So you could take this off if you needed to, but it's not. A lot of them now, they come in smaller packaging and they snap in. This was a huge box. It's a huge box that they're shipping for a product that's less than $20 right now on sale. So that's surprising. I'm wondering if they'll change that because they're probably losing a lot on shipping there. Good so far. I'm gonna step away and game for a while, check this thing out along with some other accessories. If you notice this weird looking thing on top here, I'm gonna go test out a couple different accessories and come back at you with some thoughts. Aubika non-battery elite style head strap. Seems to be a decently high quality head strap for a very low price right now. I mean, seriously, if this thing is $19, it's a pretty good deal. Although the thing is, we just tried the Sorking Elite head strap for the same price. It comes with a counterweight. I feel like Sorking did it better, but if those two prices were to change and this one stayed the only really low price head strap, you could buy it for a budget option. If it gets beyond $20, again, it gets up higher. There are other straps I prefer. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description to this one with that disclaimer. I'll also leave a couple other of the lower price head straps that I really like if you are on a budget. But it's solid, it's well made. Seems to really hold up. It's just like the other one. I did really miss the counterweight of the battery though. With this strap, I did notice that it was pulling down on my face, which made me feel the pressure of this kind of reaching up on the back of my head. I really missed that. And Sorking adds a counterweight even to their non-battery strap. So what do you think? I know Aubika is decently well known. It's likely that some of you out there might have the battery version of this or even this actual head strap. I'd love to hear your thoughts too, because every head shape is different. Maybe this thing is just perfect to you. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for coming on, and I will see you in another reality.